Hi guys, Link from Gardening Express here, and today we're talking about the Philodendron white wave. And this is a wonderful houseplant that's got these beautiful dark green leaves with these striking white stripes. It's very easy to care for, it doesn't take a lot of fuss, it likes a decent amount of water but not waterlogged soil, good humidity and some bright indirect sunlight. Now it's important not to put it in direct sunlight because it can scorch the leaves, which makes for a very unhappy plant. In terms of potting, just make sure it's got some nice room to grow, and it's relatively not very fussy, to be honest. You can gently prune this to keep its shape and make sure it doesn't go too out of control, but otherwise it's a relatively slow growing plant, so you won't have to worry too much about its upkeep. Very striking, very beautiful and easy to care for. The Philodendron is the plant for you. If you've liked this video, don't forget to check out more on our channel, and see you guys later.